enjoyed the ride. It was fun, and I can't wait until it comes and picks me up at home.
This technology is disruptive because we're jumping into a blind spot of public transport. So for the first and for the last mile and for distances where today there is no public transport existing, we could offer on demand, so that it really picks you up at home whenever you want, brings you to the next larger hub, and then of course you can jump and continue with public transport your journey.